Okay, so just introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Jose Ulate. I'm a partner in Orios Capital. Orios is a private equity management company that operates in emerging markets, Latin America, Asia, and Africa.
Great, and how have you found the conference so far?
Very interesting. The conference has explored a lot of the issues in Latin America and has covered most of the items in private equity. I think very good panelists and interesting debates on each one of the different countries.
Fantastic. And what do you see the future being for private equity, particularly in Central America?
Okay, Central America is a small region with 7 countries, so private equity has a future since a lot of the economic growth comes from service companies and they don't have access to banks. So there is a need for growth capital. The scale of the investment is smaller than in the bigger economies like Brazil or Mexico, but there is room and there is potential for interesting returns, good returns for investors, maybe not as great as in bigger companies.
Fantastic, great.
All right.